All right, so today we'll be discussing about the 5 types of content you can post on your Facebook page to make up to $1,000 every month from your Facebook page. All right, so a lot of people actually want to start creating content. A lot of people actually want to, showcase their talent. All right, via social media, but they don't really know how to do this. They don't know how to start. They don't even know how to coordinate themselves. All right, so today we'll be discussing the 5 types of content you can start creating to make money on social media, on Facebook. Basically, of course, we know that Facebook pays a lot of money, both people in Africa and people outside Africa. All right, so if you are interested in creating content, please just watch this video to an end. And believe in me, there are some of the content that I've shortlisted here that are very easy to create. You don't really need to stress yourself to create them. Yet at the end of the month, you receive your pay. So let's start by listing them. Number one, we have what is called the lifestyle oriented content. The lifestyle oriented content. These are kind of content that are very easy to create. It's a kind of content that you create on or based on your day-to-day activity. All right, you go to market, you can video around. Okay, hey, today I went to market, look at what I bought. To look at how much I bought it. To oh, did you know that pepper is no longer in the market? Oh, look at the small pepper I bought. To it is 1,000 naira. Okay, onion, there's no onion. These are just, you are cooking, you can put your camera by the side and video yourself where you are cooking. Oh, today I cook by 3 p.m. and it's late, my husband will soon come back. And you just create content on your day-to-day activity. All right, you went to football to play match, you can video yourself and post. And oh, today I went to play ball and we won, our team won, and that and that. A lot of things. Your day-to-day activity. All right, your husband comes back, you can put your camera by the side and say, hey, watch me guys how I welcome my husband, and you video it, edit it, and post it. Believe in me, millions of people are willing to watch it, and Facebook is very much ready to pay you based on the engagement you get on that video. Right, so if you're this kind of person that have a lot of activities at home to work out, you can actually start creating content. Start using them to create content. We have some of them, like somebody that is called Angela Nwosu on social media. I'm not advertising her, but she's one of the people that does that very well. All right, she uses her day-to-day activities to cash out on Facebook very well. So you too can actually start creating that kind of content. The second content you can also start creating is what I call the storytelling content. Storytelling. All right, you can actually share your personal experience, whether good experience, bad experience. You can even share the story of how you travel from west to north, from south to east. You can travel. Believe in me, a lot of people are willing to hear that story, and a lot of people are also willing to share their experiences on your comment section. Believe in me, it's a fact. All right, so you can share your experience, you can share your thoughts. Oh, I travel from here to here. You can tell a story of, okay, when I was growing up, so thing happened. My father died when I was so tender, and I couldn't know anything about my father. And I grew up by a good single mother. Tell your story. People are honestly there to hear your story and also share their stories with you on your comment section. And believe in me, a lot of people are willing to follow you for creating such a content. Believe in me, a lot of people. So you can actually create that kind of content. It is called storytelling content. Okay, so the third one we're talking about is interviews. Okay, when you go to Facebook and when you go to other part of social media as well, even here on YouTube, you see a lot of people creating that kind of content. They just go around the street, probably in a shop, right, in a eatery, just an open place, and they meet people and, excuse me, please, can I have 1 or 2 words with you? And their cameraman or camerawoman is aside and taking a video of them, taking a coverage of them, and they just ask those people some questions. What do you think about the trending video? What do you think about the current situation of the country? Who do you support in the next upcoming election? Just interview people on on general things. You can even ask them, male and female, who should pass, that kind of things. Just interview people on things that you can ever think of. And believe in me, people will give you answer. And when you post it on your social media, believe in me, a lot of people are willing to watch and learn from it. And a lot of people will even DM you. People will even reach out to you to come and interview them, to also share their own personal experience. One of the persons that does this very well is this guy called Lucky Ude. Yeah, on Facebook, he does that very well. He goes around the country interviewing people, and there are so many other people on Facebook that is doing that kind of that is creating that kind of content. They go around and they interview people on how they see the environment, the economy, what is happening around them, and so on and so forth. So if you want to start creating content, this might also be one of the best content you can start creating. And believe in me, Facebook is going to pay you a lot of money for creating such content, provided you get enough engagement. So the fourth one is that, before we go to the fourth one, please, I beg you to follow me and subscribe. One of the ways you can help me, one of the ways you can support me, is to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification button to get notified anytime we upload a video. All right, so the fourth one is educational content. Educational content is such one I'm bringing to you right now. All right, so you can actually start creating educational content. Create how to make money on Facebook, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to teach your children mathematics, how to pronounce English correctly, how to there's so many educational content you can actually start creating. All right, so you can find out, just think about one thing you can do about educational content, and come on, you will do it, and believe in me, you are going to do very well on that. People are willing to watch you and also follow you on that type of content. Believe in me, educational content, it is a very good content you can put out and people will watch. Now the final one, we'll be talking about blogging. This one is very, 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 very easy, and Facebook also pays you handsomely for it. All right, so blogging necessarily means, or blogging just means for you to get people's video and react to it, or some people also call it reaction video. All right, you download people's video. In one of our videos, we talk about how to download videos from social medias. All right, so you download people's video, you download it, you can react, you can say your opinion about it. Oh, this video this guy did, or you watch the video, then you play that video, then you say your own thing. However, if you still don't have anything to say, you can just, on Facebook, Facebook accepts that once they see your face on any other video, it is assumed that it is a collaborated video, that probably you did that video with that person. All right, so you can actually place people's video on your or on your page and put your face on the background, provided your face show. Don't just copy the video and post on your page. Please make sure you edit it that your face shows on the video. Believe in me, Facebook accepts it, whether you say anything or not, provided your face show. You can even put your picture. Yeah, you can even put your picture, just stay and probably be nodding your head, or just put your picture and then allow the video to play to the end. People watch it, and Facebook pay you very well for putting that kind of content on the internet. Believe in me. So I'm going to stop here. There are other, for now, these are the ones we'll be able to bring to you. All right, so please, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to bring you some educative content on how you can make money from social medias. All right, so thank you. God bless you for watching this video. Thank you. God bless you.